Hi there! We'll make gluten-free crisp bread. I have water, eggs, different seeds and cornmeal. I make a big batch, so I have something to offer to my guests with allergies. I'll use sunflower seeds. They're my absolute favourite. As a child, I preferred sunflower seeds instead of candy because I like them so much. I also have pumpkin seeds and chia seeds, sesame seeds, and the cornmeal. We need to season it. I'll use Herbamare salt. It's an easy way to add spice. I'll add some water, 1 egg, and olive oil. And then me and my supervisor will spread this on a sheet. This is an easy recipe. You only need to remember it's in the oven. I'll sprinkle it with some Herbamare salt to add taste. And then just bake it. We can complement the gluten-free crisp bread with a stomach-friendly drink. Molkazan is lacto-fermented whey concentrate. I mix a couple of spoonfuls with water or mineral water. Hi there! It's also suitable for children.